What's happening, guys? We're back. We're off to Downshift. It's a big event. It's in Coburg. But first, we're going to go to the Westside JDM Pre-Meet. So we're heading there first. We'll check that out. We're going to cruise all the way to Downshift. What's going on, Bubba?
Much.
Super running well?
Yeah.
Ready for the cruise? What's going on, Chief? Still windy?
Yeah.
Aw, don't be like that.
Party. Let's see what I can find.
Checking what you're looking like. Mate, you're going to a car meet, you're not going to a fashion parade.
Shut up.
Noah looks like he's going to bed. Mate, how many hours sleep did you get? 5 hours? It's one of those typical car meet moments. We're up like 7:30 for a car meet, but for anything else, we're sleeping in. So.
Not me.
Noah, so probably like 4 AM, probably got up all excited. Alright, as the pre-meet is finished, we're going to start driving towards the KB drive-ins. Holy shit, it is so fucking windy. This is like insane. Hopefully the wind goes away because this is just really fucking bad, man. Anyway. Having fun? Yeah?
It's fucking
a bit windy? A little bit too windy for you?
It's so windy.
Giving up? There's so many good cars, but it is ridiculously windy. Oh man, we need safety glasses, we need helmets here. The worst part is that there's gravel and dirt and it is flying everywhere into people's eyes and shit. Like it's, man, sandblasting paint jobs, yes. I'm gonna go have a quick look around, see what there is, and maybe get the hell out of here real quick. Woo. Let's go.
Pretty young thing.
weather kind of calmed down, which was really good, so we were able to get some good shots. It's all nice and sunny now. It looked like there was 500 cars. We're going to go to another meet tonight, so if you guys want to stay tuned, we'll have another video coming up after this one as well, real soon. Have a good one, guys. Thanks for watching.